Developing small daily habits is the key to maintaining a tidy home. The idea is to focus on manageable tasks that prevent clutter from accumulating, making a big cleanup less necessary. The morning reset. Start your day by making your bed. This simple act takes less than a minute, but makes a significant impact. It instantly gives your bedroom a neat and orderly appearance, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. It's a small win that can motivate you to tackle other tasks. The 1-minute rule: don't put off small tasks. If something takes less than a minute to do it immediately. This could be wiping down a counter after you're done cooking, putting a dish in the dishwasher instead of the sink, or hanging up your jacket as soon as you get home. This habit prevents small messes from growing into big ones. The nightly tidy. Before you go to bed, spend 10 to 15 minutes tidying up common areas. Put away any items that are out of place: shoes, books, remote controls, or mail. Fluff the pillows on the sofa. This quick reset ensures you wake up to a clean and welcoming space. By consistently doing these small actions, you'll not only maintain a tidy home, but also reduce stress and free up your time for more enjoyable activities. These habits are about making small, consistent progress rather than aiming for perfection.